Hello, welcome back to 69 Code, and in this video we will be comparing top 3 AI in case of coding. So you might have familiar with ChatGPT, Gemini and Copilot also. So ChatGPT is the AI of OpenAI and Gemini is AI of Google and Copilot is AI of Microsoft, right? So they are very good. I think they are very good AI. If we ask anything to them, they will give answer according to our question, but can they create a Flutter application according to our need? The big question is this, right? So we'll be comparing them according to code in this video. We'll ask them to create a Wordle game in Flutter application. So let's see how they can do. If you don't know what is Wordle game, then let me tell you what is Wordle game. So in Wordle game, sorry for the bad drawing. So there will be interface and there will be 6 box or how much length you want to create. You can create, like, let me say there are 6 boxes and there will be 6 gates also. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and like this. So in Wordle game we have to enter 6 word first of all. Okay, if the any alphabet of that word is correct, then it will show a green color, and if the word is incorrect, then it will show a black color, and if the word is correct and it is in wrong place, then it will show a orange color. If you don't know Wordle game, then you can search in Google and you can play the Wordle game also. So if I would create a Wordle game, then I would create a backend where I will store a list of bunch of string, like let's say length of 6 alphabet, a list of string of length of 6 alphabet, and I will fetch those list in my application randomly. Okay, I will pick those any of the word from that backend randomly, and I will put that word in our string. Okay, let's say this is the another variable, another box, and here will be the first word, and in the our user interface in our application, in our game application, user will be able to enter 6 word, and if any word any alphabet of that word is at right position and it is true, it is correct, of this it will that alphabet match to our random picked alphabet word, any of the alphabet, then and it is on the right position also, it will show a green color, and if that the alphabet is from our word and it is in the wrong place, it will show orange color, and the alphabet doesn't match, it will show black color. So so here is our application UI. Here are 3 buttons: ChatGPT screen, Copilot screen and the Gemini screen. And here is the code here are 3 pages, 3 dot page. One is ChatGPT, Copilot and Gemini. And here is in this home page, here is the scaffold in center, there is column, and I have passed 3 material button to navigate to different pages like ChatGPT screen, Copilot screen and the Gemini screen. And I have already typed a prompt for prompt also. Here is the prompt in give me Flutter code to create a Wordle game in Flutter. Sorry, there are 2 Flutter. Let me remove this. Wordle game, add 50 string list and take your time and make it more attractive as much as you can, and make sure it is responsive also. So we'll ask them to create a Wordle game. I will ask different AI, Copilot, Gemini and ChatGPT to create this Wordle game, and let us see which one will be better. So let's get started. Okay, let me copy this first, and let's go to ChatGPT. Here the ChatGPT, and let me paste and press enter. And while this AI is responding, we will go to the Gemini also, and we will also ask to Gemini, and again we will go to the Microsoft Copilot. Here is the Copilot, and we will ask to create for the Copilot also. Okay, now it's done. Okay, let me again go to the ChatGPT screen. If it is done, I think it's done maybe. Yeah, he's responding. Yeah, sorry, it is responding. Yeah, it has created a list of bunch of string of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 length, and it has created a listing of a guess word, and which will be array, maybe list, list. And yeah, it is doing pretty good for now. Okay, let's go to Gemini. Yeah, Gemini has completed, right? Okay, let's copy this. Let's copy this. If I yeah, it has used a Google font also. So Gemini has told us to use a Google font for better font. Okay, let's go to VS Code, and in the Gemini, let's paste it here. Let's let's input our material. Let's save this. And here Gemini has told us to use a Google font, but there is no any use of Google font here, I think. Is there any error? Let me restart. Error, could not find the constructor Gemini screen, return const Gemini screen. Oh, sorry, there is no, it is saying that there is no constructor. Sorry. Oh, there is no Gemini screen. It has renamed. Let me go here and rename this. Control D. Yeah. Yeah, we have pasted the code from Gemini. And let's go to ChatGPT and also paste the code of ChatGPT also. So here is the ChatGPT, and yeah. So let me copy this. Sorry, and go to our ChatGPT screen and remove this also and paste it here. And again we have to import material dot, and we have to use constant modifier everywhere. There is no class called responsive. I think ChatGPT has done some error here. Maybe. Constructor. Ignore this. Random. Okay, let us tell ChatGPT there is no responsive builder. Okay, let's copy this code and ask him to there is no responsive builder. There is no in responsive builder class, maybe. I think it's class or widget. Isn't define Wordle page try to name. So it's a method. Define here. Is not a part of the correct framework. It's able to the responsive builder. Oh, we have to import response package. Okay, let us add a package also. Responsive builder, and it will be added. Let me rename the name here. Control D, and ChatGPT screen. Where is ChatGPT screen? And let us go here and import the package also. Yeah, it has also done. Okay, let's go to the copilot again, and we can just copy, or it has given a main, so we have to copy like this. Let me copy this, come back to our VS Code. Let me remove this, and what? format document, and again we have to import a material, add a constant modifier everywhere in our file, and if we go here and we have to import a math also. Yeah, the code of Copilot is little bit shorter than other. We have to use a key constructor, and we have to rename also Copilot screen. Okay, yeah, we are done. Now we have copied and pasted all the code from ChatGPT, Gemini, and the Copilot. Let me restart my application and let's see what they have created. Okay, let's go to the ChatGPT screen net first. What is this? Okay, hello L. There is the L of this L is in the right place, but there is this L is correct, but this is not in the right place. Okay, let's see the backend of, let's see the list of ChatGPT, list of string of ChatGPT. Okay, here is the list, and if we see here the word that have 2L. Okay, drill. Okay, right, the word is drill. We know the word that is drill. Okay, let's remove this also, and let's say drive. Okay, submit, drill, submit. You guessed it right. So it have, there is something that ChatGPT have to improve. Like if we type here, it will show the alphabet is correct or not in initial, but it has to show when we enter and submit. Okay, like if it show it earlier, then user will guess it easily. Like they will enter a word, then it remove the word, then they will enter another word, then remove word, and if the word is correct, then they will submit. So it has to improve that also. So another improve ChatGPT can do is if it can add a virtual keyword here also, then it will be great. Okay, let's come back and go to our Copilot screen. Yeah, there is no grid here. If we go to ChatGPT screen, there is a grid, but there is a grid in only one line here. You can see there is tile 1, tile only, but if it can add a bunch of tile here like in the real Wordle game, then it will be great. So let's go to Copilot, and there is no. Okay, let's say hello and add a submit. Okay, guess the word. Hi, drill. So Copilot, I think Copilot has failed to create the application of our Wordle game. Like there is no any clue whether we are true or wrong. We are guessing right, guess or wrong. So this is totally a trash. Okay, let's go to Gemini screen. Okay, I think it has done pretty good, but if we minimize the screen, then I think it will look more good. Yeah, it will be look more good in the mobile screen. So here is the virtual keyboard also. I was talking about this. So let's expand this and let's type here like DRILL and press enter. Okay, the R and I is right, correct. So I'm quite impressed by Gemini than ChatGPT and the Copilot. Copilot is totally trash. It cannot do anything. But ChatGPT has also done pretty good, but it has done a lot of like, I think we can say it error. Like if we type initially, it will show the color, so we cannot guess. So user will guess it very easily. So in the Gemini, like I was talking about this, we have to enter a word first, then we can submit. Then it will show the color, it is right or wrong here. Okay, so it is our app is stuck. So if we notice here the range error, it is out of index. So yeah, it has not completely handle error if we enter the wrong word like out of this list. Then it will show error index out of bound error. Like if user enter a word that is not in this list, then it will show our error and our app will get stuck. as Gemini has to improve that also. If we enter the wrong word, then it will say there is no word like this, or this is wrong word. Otherwise it is good. Like let's say the lion. Okay, let's enter the line. Okay, so user won't so while a user play a game like Wordle, they don't know what word is in the backend, right? So if we enter any word that is out of this list, then our app is getting stuck in the Gemini's case. So it should not get stuck. Like it has to open this error. Like it has to use a try catch block, or it can handle error in more other ways also. So okay, let's say lion, 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 and enter. Oh sorry, tiger, TIGER. I think there is a word called lion. Also, I have seen that word. Okay, ChatGPT has done another error also. Like there is a field of 6 letters. Like if we see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fields, and it has used like somewhere it has used a 6 alphabet letter. Somewhere it has used more than 6 alphabet letter. So it is not also quite impressive. Let's say snake. Okay, let's say snake. So there will be, if it use a word more than 5 field, then there will be no field to enter a word. Then the user will never guess the word. Snake and submit. Yeah, 2 letter is true and 3 letter as wrong, but they are not in the right place. So Gemini has also done few error. We can improve by copying this code and telling them to improve. So you can judge these game and comment which is better. This is the ChatGPT, and this is Copilot, which is totally trash. There is no clue whether the user is right or wrong. And this is Gemini, which UI look much better than ChatGPT, but the backend thing is not quite impressive. It can do much better. So it has not handled any type of error, like, and it has used more alphabet letter in the list also. So user will never guess if that is the randomly picked word. So yeah, so if you want me to create this Wordle game, then you can comment. And yeah, this much for this video. If we tell who is the winner, then I can say if we judge according to backend, then ChatGPT has done a very good thing. Like it has used only 5 alphabet 5 letter code, and there is no error in the ChatGPT also. But it has done one mistake, that that if we enter a word initially, then it will show the color, so user will be aware of it is wrong or right. Like if we press L, then I will know this L is never in this list, so I can remove this and again type another letter and submit. So we can guess in first guess, we can guess the correct word in the first guess. Okay, so it can do much better in that case. So I think our official winner is ChatGPT. And if you like other AI like Gemini AI or the Copilot, then you can comment. And this was for this video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more interesting video like this. Thank you.